If you've ever wanted to create insane AI avatar videos like this but didn't know how to, this is the perfect video for you. I'm going to show you my easiest, most beginner-friendly system to create your own consistent talking character that can show up in videos for you. Step 1. Create a base image. This is the groundwork for everything else, so it's worth spending a little time to get it right. Head over to the OpenArt website. Sign up for a free account and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard. Click on Create. The first thing you need to do is choose a model. Look for a drop-down or a list of options and select Flux Realism if you want your avatar to look like a real person, or pick from these other options. In the prompt text box, type something clear and detailed, like a full body shot of a female with blonde hair wearing a casual red and white outfit. Make sure to include all the details that you want in your prompt. It's also important that you go for a full body or upper body shot here. If you just describe a face, the AI won't know what the rest of her looks like later on, and that can mess up the consistency we're aiming for. After that, look for the aspect ratio setting and pick Portrait, because that gives you a tall image that captures the full body. When you've got everything set, hit the Create button. It uses 10 credits, and OpenArt's free plan gives you 40 to work with, so you're good to go. In about 20 or 30 seconds, you'll see a couple of image options on the screen. Pick the one you like best and move on to the next step. Step 2. Upscale your image. What we just created isn't quite sharp enough for video. OpenArt has a free upscale tool that does the job nicely, so let's use that. Look for the Upscale button for the image you chose. Click that to open a small menu with some options. You'll see 2x or 2x face, which are quick and decent, but I recommend Ultimate Upscale. Select this and hit Create. It takes around 30 seconds to process, and when it's finished, a slider shows up on the screen. Drag that slider back and forth to compare the original to the upscaled version. You'll notice the upscaled one has sharper details and deeper colors. If you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and download this as a PNG. That's your high-quality image ready for the next part. If OpenArt's free credits don't cover this step, you could switch to a site like Upscale Media as a fallback. You'd upload your image there, let it process for free, and download the result. Either way, you've now got a clear, sharp PNG to work with. This is your base image, and it's the starting point for this whole process. Step 3. Set up consistency. This is where the AI learns your character's look, so she stays the same across different scenes. Back on OpenArt's homepage, click on Models and then on Create Character. You'll see a few different methods to choose from. Click on Start with one image because it's the easiest and works with just one picture you've already made. Find the Upload button, click it, and select your upscaled PNG from your computer. It'll load up in a few seconds. Up here, there's a field to name your character. Let's call our character Michelle, then hit Create Character. This step costs 2,000 credits, which is a big chunk, and OpenArt's free plan might not cover it straight away. If it asks for payment, you can either wait for more free credits to build up or adjust earlier steps to save some. Assuming it goes through, it takes about 10 minutes to train the model. You'll get a notification when it's done, letting you know Michelle is ready for new scenes. That's your consistent character set up and good to go. Step 4. Generate consistent character scenes. Now let's generate some scenes with Michelle to give her some variety. In OpenArt, find where your character is listed and click Create. You'll land on a page with mode options. Select Prompt and Reference because it lets you decide what she's doing while keeping her look steady. There's a prompt box waiting for you. Type Add Michelle using her exact name. That tells the AI to keep her consistent while putting her in this new setting. Look for the Settings section. You'll see a character weight slider. Set it to 1.85 or 1.9. I keep it around there because it locks in her appearance without making it too stiff. Setting it too high can warp things, so I steer clear of that. Then find Prompt Coherence and set it to 3.5. That balances her look with the scene smoothly. Pick an aspect ratio that fits your video, like square, if you're not sure what works best. Hit Create and let it generate 2 images so you have a couple to pick from. It'll take a moment to finish. When the images show up, take a close look. If the first one has her face matching the original perfectly, that's the one to keep. If you want it even clearer, click Ultimate Upscale on that image. Let it process for about 30 seconds and download it as a PNG. Now you've got Michelle in a fresh scene, ready to move into video. Step 5. Turn your image into a video. Head over to Kling, sign up, and log in. Once you're in, click on Image to Video. You'll see an upload box. Drag your upscaled PNG of Michelle on the mountain into that spot. It'll load up in a few seconds. Then there's a prompt field below it. Type a static shot of a female tourist talking into the camera. I use static here because it keeps her steady, which makes lip syncing easier later on. Moving shots can complicate things, so I avoid them for this. Look for the duration setting. Set it to 10 seconds because that gives you enough time for a good clip with speech. 5 seconds works too, but it cuts your audio options down a bit. Click Generate and wait a little while. Kling processes pretty fast. When it's done, you'll see a video of Michelle moving just enough to look natural, like she's talking. Watch it carefully. If her face stays clear and the motion feels smooth, that's your pick. Find the download button and save it as an MP4. Step 6. Add a voice with ElevenLabs. Head over to ElevenLabs, sign up for a free account, and log in. Click on Voices and on Library. Set the filters so that they match your character. In our case, we'd set it to Female, English, and Young to match Michelle. Scroll through the list of voices and hit play on a few samples to hear them. Pick the one you like best. Click on Add and then on Use. In this box, type in what you want your character to say. Hit Generate and wait a moment. Click the play button. Make sure it's under 10 seconds. If it's not, put the speed up a little to make it fit. Once you're happy, click Download and save it as an MP3. ElevenLabs free tier gives you 10,000 characters a month, and this short script uses 125, so you've got plenty left to play with. Step 7. Add lip sync in Kling. Back on Kling's site, go back to your generated video. Click Lip Sync, then select that 10-second clip you made from your history. Upload the audio file here. You can crop your audio here too if you need to. Click Generate and let it process for a bit. When it's finished, you'll see Michelle talking, with her lips moving to match the words. Play it through to check it. Her mouth should sync up naturally with the audio. If it looks good, find the download button and save it as an MP4. That's your fully synced AI talking avatar video, ready to use. Let's take a look.
Would you believe me if I told you that I'm not real? Don't worry, you're not insane. I'm just made with some really good AI.
Will you try this process out? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.